The project that I just opened for collaboration can be accessed by anyone on any device over the distance. And I see that Alice just joined us. Hi, Alice.
Hi, Bart.
Hi, Bart.
Alice, great to have you with us. Since we're essentially in the same office, for the purpose of this demonstration, could you join me here so we can see and present what's happening on both iPads of ours?
Absolutely.
It's always better to meet in person, hey?
Hi, Bart.
Although the technology allows us to do those collaboration remotely, for now we just want to show what's happening on our screens. Alice, wanted to ask you, since you're working with customers on a daily basis, what have you found that is so new for those that are just starting their experience with whiteboard meetings?
Well, Bart, people often assume that what the host is presenting is simply information to be taken. However, online whiteboards make it possible for participants to not only take information, but also give their own perspective as well.
Okay, great. Can we illustrate that?
Absolutely. To explain what I mean, here's an example of how one can create a sketch notes using an online whiteboard.
And I see your material coming up for me. Okay.
And now, after I added it to the canvas, you can use your own Zoom tool to learn more about it while I concentrate my attention on a different part of the project or even another slide.
Nice. And that's a good example of a clear visual communication that is also personalized.
Exactly, but I actually have another example that is focused on personalized communication.
Oh, okay. Let us see it.
Zoom out and pull it in for you. This is actually our colleague from California. He likes to summarize his meetings using the whiteboard to record himself while also pointing to materials in his summary.
So that comes quite handy using whiteboard for that. So he can pull up any material he needs for his explanation to drive his point home, right?
Exactly. But most importantly, he's using it to give him an edge when communicating his points. It makes it more clear.
This is clearly something where whiteboards have an edge in comparison to other digital communicators.
That's true.
Cool.
And then I have one final example for you, and it shows the results of a workshop that was co-created.
Oh, I remember that. I actually participated in that session. That was kind of like a confluence of thought. People were adding to this one canvas, exploring different ideas and directions. You can tell that by difference in handwriting, huh?
This is actually a visual representation of the collaboration that it was exported as both notes and a video summary for people that couldn't be there. I don't know if you remember.
Could we actually do the same? Create video to summarize what we discussed and illustrate it here, huh?
Absolutely.
I'll hit record here.
All right. On this project, we present 3 areas where whiteboards can change the way you communicate. Those areas are on the crossroads of presentation, communication, and collaboration. You can visualize your thinking. You can use media to tell your story in a personal way. And finally, you can make a meeting experience engaging to build better understanding.
All of that is possible if you choose the right tool, such as Explain Everything Whiteboard. Thank you. I think that's a great summary. For those that will be looking for more information, where they can find those?
Well, I often recommend using our help center. It has a lot of questions like an FAQ and a lot of answers and use cases that you can use as well. And then we also have our blog and signing up for our newsletter. In our newsletter, you'll get a tips and tricks tutorial every Tuesday.
Great. Thank you. We're closing this session for today. Let us know your feedback and reach out to us if you'd like to receive some more information about Explain Everything. Thank you. Bye.